Kodak is in Chapter 11 and looking to cash out wherever it can. The Kodak Gallery has more than 75 million users. Those who don't want to go over to Shutterfly will be able to opt out and get free downloads of their pictures. I'm Elisa Parenti from the newsroom at MarketWatch.com.
WBBM News Time, 8:56. WBBM and HD Chicago. WCFS-FM and HD1 Elmwood Park, Chicago.
Remodeling your home doesn't have to be a nightmare. Just ask the clients of Normandy Remodeling. With a 96% client satisfaction rating, Normandy Remodeling delivers the renovation experience that other companies only claim to offer. Since 1979, Normandy Remodeling has completed thousands of Chicago area additions, kitchens, and remodeling projects, winning 22 design awards last year alone. Normandy designers know that great design is possible within any budget. Ready to get started on your addition, kitchen, or remodeling project? Visit NormandyRemodeling.com to set up a free in-home consultation with one of Normandy's award-winning designers. Or register to attend a new kind of bathroom this Saturday or any of Normandy's upcoming kitchen or bathroom remodeling seminars at NormandyRemodeling.com. Discover how enjoyable a home renovation can be. Visit NormandyRemodeling.com.
Nurse, set up an ID. And you, her boyfriend. You were the driver?
Yes, doctor, but I didn't mean to hurt her. I only had a few drinks. I was just buzzed.
Just buzzed? Oh, then your girlfriend is fine.
Hey, sweetie, I feel great.
She's really okay?
What, are you kidding? No, not really. Nurse, get me a suture kit. Stack.
Buzzed driving. Maybe we should stop acting like it's no big deal. Buzz driving is drunk driving. Brought to you by the U.S. Department of Transportation and the Ad Council.
Here are the winning Illinois lottery numbers. The Pick 3 evening game winning the Pick 3 midday game winning numbers, 574. Again, 574. Those are the Pick 3 midday game winners. The Pick 4 midday game winning numbers, 8836. Tomorrow night's Mega Millions jackpot, $108 million. Saturday night, the Powerball jackpot, $50 million. And the Lotto jackpot, $12.5 million. WBBM News Time, 8:58. Traffic and weather together on the 8s. Here's Mike.